a city that pulses with life. There lies a neighborhood that time seems to have abandoned. Hillbrow, once a beacon of modernity, now a battleground where fear rules the night. In the 1970s, Hillbrow was a model of urban diversity and cosmopolitan life. Clean streets, Art Deco buildings, sidewalk cafes, bookstores, and thriving culture. But the facade didn't last. As apartheid ended, Hillbrow saw a shift. Infrastructure collapsed, buildings crumbled, and crime moved in. The light dimmed. The rot began. In Hillbrow, crime isn't news. It's a way of life. Stabbings, robberies, gunshots happen daily. People are murdered for phones. Police rarely enter. Those who do may never return. Thousands of migrants flooded in from neighboring countries, searching for hope. They found chaos instead. Overcrowded buildings, no regulation, a forgotten people in a lawless zone. In Hillbrow, buildings are no longer owned by landlords, but by gangs. They extort rent, control entrances, and rule with violence. These are vertical prisons, lawless, ruthless, deadly. Here, fear walks with you. Nobody walks alone. Shops close early. People look over their shoulders. Even the air carries unease. There are those who still fight. Grassroots initiatives, community cleanups, police operations. But it's not enough. Hillbrow needs a nation to reclaim it. Hillbrow is not just a dangerous place. It's a warning. A lesson in what happens when society forgets its people. It reminds us, any city, any street, can become Hillbrow if the law dies and silence rules.